Hello friends, welcome back to this course on machine learning. In our today's session, basically we will give a little touch about some key terminologies in the machine learning which are very important in our data set. Now the first thing is the feature. What is a feature? Now a feature is basically these are the input variables used by the machine learning model, right? And what is a label? The label is the actual outcome the model predicts. Now let's me move towards some example data. Now here we have an example data. Now these columns, the size, the bedrooms, the location and the year, these are our independent columns, and the final one, the price, it is the dependent column. It's mean that the price column depends on the values of all these columns, right? Now from this data, the house ID, I think it is not important, but the remaining column, the size, the bedrooms, location and the year bit, these are the features. Now we can add more features to the data set, right? We can also reduce some features from the data sets. Like in this data set, the house ID is not important, so we can remove this feature, right? Now these are the feature. It is the first feature, the second, the third and the fourth one, right? And it is our label. So basically we are using the label for the outcome, right? No, the label is what we want to predict from the data set. Now, for example, if we have the square foot size of the house is 1200, if the bedrooms are 3 and it is located in the urban area and it is built in 2015, then the price should be this one. Now it is our example training data. We will feed these data, we will use these data to train our model. Now for example, our model is trained on these data, right? Now in the future, for example, we supply some more data to these model to predict whether what should be the price of the house. Let me give some data. Now for example, I give here the house size, for example 1300. If I give 3 beds and if I give the location as urban, right? And let me give the year, for example 2017. Now what should be the price of the house? Okay, now we train the model on these data, and now we will use this model for the prediction of the prices of different houses in the future. Now for example, I give this data and I want to predict the price of the house. Now once our machine learning model is trained, then it can easily give us what should be the price of the house with this new data. Now it will give me like the price should be dollar, for example 280 0 and 0, right? Now it will tell me that if the house has this kind of features, then its price should be 280,000, right? Now we can use the feature and label like in this way. These are our features, okay, and the final column is our label. We can increase or decrease the features according to our needs, and the feature are also called the independent columns, and the price, which is the label, basically it is the dependent column. The price is dependent on all these features. Now it was a basic introduction about what is a feature and what is a label. In the next video we will come with a new topic. Thank you for watching the video.